my dear crafters. So today I'm going to show you some of the products that I just received today, except for this because these I got last week. I decided to do like a short series of tutorials for Halloween, and that's when I found out that I had absolutely nothing. Not a paper pad, nothing, no ribbons, no stickers, no stamps, nothing, absolutely nothing. The only, just to say, I had one thing that I just bought, and I'm sure you saw this on my Echo Park haul. That's the only thing I had actually. And then I realized, okay, I need to get some things. And the first thing that I got was this paper. I just ran to my local Michael's store. I guess it's kind of early for Halloween because this is the only one that they had. But I have to say, I fell in love with it, and I wanted to share with you because although it's a Halloween paper pad, it's very different. It has all the elements of Halloween like this. You can see the spider, the bat, the colors are Halloween, see? Just beautiful elements. The colors are beautiful. See the crow here. But it's not the basic orange pumpkins and webs, like spider webs. I just fell in love with it because I thought it was so sophisticated, and I wanted to share with you. But before I do that, let me just give you a tip. Sometimes, you know, when sometimes you buy something like this, in one of the pages here, this one, when I saw it, I said, I'm going to use my scan and cut, and I'm going to cut the whole page. And I did it, and it took the machine 7 minutes to cut all of these here. And let me show you how they come out. But the tip here that I wanted to give you, because maybe some of you do not have the scan and cut, but even if you don't, when you use something like this and you maybe fussy cut it, don't put it away and you never know where it came from, so you don't know what it coordinates with. What I do is I just keep everything from this paper pad in a plastic bag like this, and with just simple tape, I tape it to the front of the paper pad so I know where it comes from. So that's just a tip for you. But let me show you. It's called Midnight Garden, and that's from Michael's. You can find it online, and the price is very good. They always have this special. Look online for when they have the specials of, usually it's $9.99 or something like $10, but they always have specials like if you buy one, the other one is 5% or 50% off. So I usually buy two. I never buy just one paper pad. So let me show you quickly the paper pad. Look how gorgeous it is. And this one has foiling. And some of them you see, they're not, as I said, the traditional, they have solids and some of them are not, but they're not the traditional Halloween paper, but the colors are. So you can use this, for example, as a background on a card or box or a mini album or something like that. But some of them are straightforward Halloween. I mean, look at this one with the frogs. Let me just turn it this way so you can see better. With frogs and snakes and things like that. And this is one of my favorite because this one has the bat and it has the spider, and of course it has the colors that are very Halloween, like the purple and black. And then they always come with 3 solids. This one is my favorite. I don't think this is Halloween at all, but I have to say, I don't care. It's absolutely beautiful paper. Look at this up close. It's all foil. I'll make a box with that for sure. This one is great for Halloween. It's like the sky. This one's kind of Halloween, but not so much. This one, I loved it. And as I said, I just cut all of these on my skin and cut. And maybe I'll do a video to teach my skin and cutters. Love this color here. This is great for background too. And look at this one. This one is really nice. It has the crow. I am a crow fan, I have to say. I love crows. I just bought the most beautiful crow stamp. So that's, oh, and this one too. This one is very Halloween too. It has the webs here. Let me show you up close. Has webs and butterflies and flowers. But I just thought that this paper was gorgeous, and that's from Michael's. The rest of the products that I'm going to show you are from scrapbook.com, and that's where I bought, I think, most of the stuff that I'm going to use for my projects that I'm going to have on my channel. Okay, so let's start with this big, and I'll give you the prices too, just so you have an idea if you're interested, and I'll have the link below for all these products for you. So let me open this. I had no paper pads. It's amazing, because the thing is, in Brazil we don't have Halloween, so I never make anything Halloween. It's just not in my system, I guess. But okay, so this is what they call a collection kit. This is, see, this is very typical Halloween kind of stuff that you find, right? So very nice, and I'm sure I will use this page too, because this can even turn into mini bookmarks. They're perfect. So you get these, with these you have a bookmark. So here are the paper. Oh, look at how gorgeous this paper is. And it's thick cardstock, okay? It's not paper, it's cardstock. And it's double-sided. So I'll show you both sides on each. This will be a beautiful box. But look, the colors are very Halloween. So that's oh, I love this one. I love the colors. Plaids, can never have enough. Oh my God, this would be one of those paper sheets that you go, no, I love this one, and then you turn and you go, oh no, but the skeleton. Gorgeous, love it. Oh, I love the ghosts. There's always a nice ghost on Halloween, and I like the cute ones, not the scary ones. Very nice paper. This one is perfect for boxes, and like treat boxes. And I'll have in 3 days, in 3 days, you're going to have my first video, which will be a spinner card for Halloween. And then you have a treat box that I use the paper of this color. Oh, look at this one, guys. Very nice. So let me just tell you what this is called in case well, I'll have the link below, but this is a 12 by 12. They're single sheets, but they come together, and they're called Simple Stories, Spooky Nights Collection Halloween. So there you go. And I love that they also come with these cutouts that you can use to embellish your mini albums, or just turn them into tags for a present. Whatever, the card front, you can use it so many different ways. And you have the back here that has some it actually has some lines here that you can write on. See, here's some more like embellishments and ephemera. Love this side. That's the hardest thing when you have something like this. Oh, I'm going to use those, but then you turn and you say, oh no, I don't want to lose this side of the paper. But anyway, it's better to have good choices, right? So more. This is just stripes, but you have some ephemera here. Here's some more. You have I think 4 pages with ephemera like that. Some bigger ones. These are great for mini albums right here to be the inserts. And I'm finding, if you're interested, let me know in the comments below. But I'm thinking about doing a mini album, like an easy mini album that you can make. So that is the 12 by 12 paper pad that I got. I'm gonna put this away. Let me put this here. Now let me show you the next thing I have here is a honeybee collection. It's a 6 by 6 card, not card, paper pad. This is my favorite, guys. Look at these. This is my favorite. And what I'm gonna do, I think, is some of these I'm just gonna color them, because I think they look so cute. Maybe I'll have like one colored on a card front with a big one, same color. So let me just show you the paper. Let me just zoom in. It's easier than me bringing this up. So look at that. Very nice. The colors are great. Very Halloween-y. Very nice. These are some skulls here. I don't know if you can see that well. Let me show you. See? Very nice paper. All in the colors of Halloween. Should do it like this. I don't know why I do it sideways. There you go. I love these leaves here. Very nice. This is one of my favorites. So I just love these colors and these flowers here. And this is very great for autumn. And then it starts all over again. So them and okay, I think you've seen them all. I'll just go quickly. yeah, so very nice. It's 24 sheets, and this one was $6.82. Okay, I'll have the link below. You know I love my breads, so I got some breads, and they come with, it's called Decorative Breads Spooky Nights. So you have breads and chipboard pieces here. So these are great to embellish. I love these breads because they're flat. They already come with glue. All you need to do is peel it off and use it. They're great for tags and some of the boxes that I make. So there you go. I have some Puffy stickers. Let me just get the plastic off of here because then you can see it better. There you go. Some Puffy stickers. Yeah, they're thick. I love them because they add dimension to your project. Very nice ones. Look at that. And these Puffy stickers were $4.74. So very good price. Always look, when you go on scrapbook.com, always search for their clearance. They always have clearance and things like that. And I also bought these two. So 2 stamp sets. This one and each one of these were the most expensive items. This one was 11. Let me see if that's just say boo. You have to see it here. No, boo to you. That's boo to you. So this one was $11.69, but it's a stamp set, guys. You know how it is. You use it over and over again. It's not like ephemera or stickers, because once you use it, they're gone. It's stamps. So, and I actually have to say, I fell in love with this. That's what I'm going to use a lot, like for strips, like the bottom of the card, or even for my, I love making notebooks, and even sideways like this, you can stamp this on a tag or something. I just love it, and I like the sentiments too. Just say boo, trick or treat, just a bunch of hocus pocus. So that's one, and the last one is this. It's called Boo to You. Boo to You was $8.49, so not expensive at all either. So I love because it has, I love it because it has this little house. I was searching for one of these houses, and it already comes with a happy Halloween, some nice sentiments here. So this is what I bought for Halloween. So now I'm ready, guys, to really dig into some more projects for you and teach you how to create some boxes, some treat boxes. I'm thinking about at least 3 different ones, some simple ones. Let me just zoom out. Some simple treat boxes for you that you can start preparing, because, you know, for us, we start early because we have to make this stuff to be ready for Halloween, right? So thank you again for being here with me, and don't forget to use the links below. I will have all of this with description so you know what it is, okay? Thank you so much, and have a good day, guys.